Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw an Among Us character, kind of in a star shape. The character himself, the crewmate himself, is going to be in a star shape. So hopefully you find this to be very easy and simple. I'm going to be going over this with a Crayola brand marker, and I'm going to be going over this with simple computer paper. So yeah, so you should have that around the house. Hopefully you do. Let's get started. Also, before you do, hit the subscribe button. If you do like videos like this, you're really gonna like this one. All right. Well, also it'll let you know when I post, and it'll help further with the algorithm. Go over here. I'm going to curve line over here, over the top, and it's gonna be for the actual visor. The kind of visor of the crewmate. Then I'm going to oxygen and stuff. But yeah, so let's do that. Over here. of been drawing a lot of. I've been drawing on YouTube for going on 7 years now, and I've pretty much put most of my time into just kind of drawing, and you know, like right here I post 3 times a day, so if you guys like that, let me know. I post 3 times a day. I might even start, honestly, I'm gonna start probably posting on the weekend as well, because I think that's a really good thing to do. So I might start throwing a lot of my time into the weekend as well, doing like 3 videos a weekend, or maybe at least I've been putting up about like 1 video or so on the weekend, but I'm really thinking about putting on, like, you know, 3 per weekend day, maybe Saturday and Sunday, but I haven't really decided that yet. But for the most part, I've just been kind of doodling and drawing and doing anything. If you have suggestions, let me know in the comments, because that always you know, helps out as well. So yeah, that's most of my life. Most of my life is doing this, which I like. You know, it's fun to just sit, hang out, talk to people, and really, you know, kind of get along with everybody. So I do appreciate everybody doing that. Everybody's been super nice to me. It's kind of been this really insanely, you know, like, humbling experience to just kind of talk to people on here. And like, I know people say stuff like great drawing, thank you, I appreciate it, but like, really, this is about you. You know, I really want you to be able to draw better and draw whatever you want. So, like, you know, basically I go over the kind of the proportions of cute, like what makes something look cute, right? Like those Funko Pops, what makes those things look cute? And there's a reason. It's not just because they're small. It has to do with honestly, like, mostly proportion. Proportion is kind of where it's at. So but yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Okay, say hi to me in the comments. I reply to every